Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in Google Docs, whether you're linking to a website, a YouTube video, or even to another part of your document. Adding links is one of the most useful things you can do when working in Google Docs. It makes your document interactive, professional, and way more informative. And the best part, it's super easy, so if you're writing an assignment, creating a report, or just sharing information with friends or coworkers, you will definitely want to know. How to link text directly to a website or other content. First, you want to open your Google Doc. Now let's say you have typed some text. Maybe something like check out my website or click here to watch the video. What you want to do is highlight the part of the text where you want to insert the link. Once the text is selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the page. You will see a little chain link icon. That's the Insert Link button. You can also use the shortcut, which is Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K if you're on Mac. Click the link icon or press the shortcut and a small pop-up will appear right under your text. This is where you paste or type the URL you want to link to. Once the link is added and you now have a clickable link in your document, you can test it by clicking on it and a preview shows pop up with a button to open the link. Let's do it one more time just to make sure we got it. Highlight the text, insert link, paste the link, and hit apply. Super simple, right? But wait, we're not done yet. You can also link to other things, not just websites. For example, you can link to headings within the same document. This is really helpful for long reports or study guides where you want people to jump to specific sections. Here is how that works. First, you need to make sure your document has headings. These are added by selecting the text and choosing a heading style from the toolbar, like heading 1 or heading 2. Once you have a few headings in your doc, highlight the text you want to turn into a link, insert link again, and this time instead of pasting a URL, click where it says headings or poke marks in the pop-up. You will see a list of your headings appear. Choose the one you want to link to, click on it. Now when someone clicks that link, they will instantly jump to that section in your document. Super useful for navigation. Now let's say you want to edit a link. All you have to do is click on the existing hyperlink in your doc. You will see a little pop-up with a current URL. Click the pencil icon to edit it, or click Remove to delete the link entirely. So if you want to rewrite, click here into something more specific like watch the full video on YouTube. Just click the text and update it like you would with any other part of your document. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe if you are new around here. I drop easy tutorials like this every week to make your digital life simpler. And if there is anything else you want to learn about Google Docs, Google Drive, or anything tech related, drop a comment below. I read them all and I would love to make a video for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.